Guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this application of Facebook. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching and your attention.